If you are new here, I'm your Motari. I've been teaching you some basic Kinyarwanda and I'm very happy you are still learning with me. In this video, we are going to learn how to introduce yourself, saying where you are from, and have a simple conversation in Kinyarwanda. Let's go! When you want to say your name, this is how you do it. Nitwa, and then you add your name. You just only say Nitwa. Only that. Simple, right? Nitwa. Let us say, for example, Nitwa John. Nitwa Saad. Nitwa Muhammad. Like that. And if you want to ask someone their name, you say Witwa Nde. Witwa Nde. It is simple. Witwa Nde. Witwa Nde. And if someone wants to ask you Witwa Nde, you say Nitwa. Nitwa. Simple. Now let's talk about where you are from. So if someone asks you Uturukahe, Uturukahe, or you also can ask someone Uturukahe, where are you from? Yes? So you say Nuruka Muri. You say Nuruka Muri and you add your country. Nuruka Muri, Sudan. Nuruka Muri, America. Nuruka Muri, Canada. Nuruka Muri, Nuruka Muri, Nuruka Muri. Simple. And if you want to ask someone where do you live or where do you stay, you can say Utuyehe. Utuyehe. And if someone asks you where do you stay or Utuyehe, you can say Nuye Kugisozi, Nuye Kachiru, Nuye Nyamirambo, Nuye blah 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 blah.